The CORSAIR MP600 Mini and Core Mini provide great storage performance in a tiny package, making it ideal for portable and handheld systems like the ASUS ROG Ally. Before you install your SSD, make sure that the firmware for your ROG Ally has been completely updated and that you've removed any microSD cards. With the ROG Ally powered off, place it face down on a soft surface and use a size 0 Phillips to remove the 6 screws from the back of the handheld. Note that the bottom middle screw is captive and will not be fully removed. Use a plastic prying tool to undo the clips holding the back panel. With the back panel removed, lift the black cover between the fans and undo the clip holding the battery connector. Disconnect the battery by pulling up and out of the socket. Now we can remove the original SSD. Simply undo the screw and slide the SSD out. Grab your new SSD and slide it into the socket and secure it with the screw. To wrap up installation, reconnect the battery, snap the back cover on, and secure it with the screws that we removed earlier. With our new SSD installed, we now need to reinstall Windows with the Cloud Recovery utility. Connect the ROG Ally to power, then hold volume down and press the power button to boot into the ROG Ally's BIOS. The Cloud Recovery tool can be found under Advanced. We can then start the recovery process and connect to the internet to download Windows. Once recovery is completed, you'll be able to set up your favorite apps, games, and more with your expanded storage. And that's it. The MP600 Mini and Core Mini SSDs provide great storage performance for systems that take advantage of the compact M.2 2230 form factor. Thanks for watching.